Hey y'all, welcome to another artsy studio vlog. I feel like we should, in this new year, call them something different because I feel like studio vlog, I don't know. Some people are like weirdly against vlogs and I feel like people associate vlogs with like going out into the world and going to like CVS or something. I was thinking more like cozy, welcome back to my, welcome, hey y'all, welcome to another cozy crafting. We don't really craft. We do like one thing. So I don't know. I like the idea of cozy tufting. Welcome to another cozy tufting video. I don't know. I'll think on it and you'll think on it and then give me some really great suggestions in the comments. We are going to finally begin tufting, which also means we are going to finally try my new tufting machine. I haven't used it yet. I'm so freaking excited. Oh crap. I'm so excited to try out my new tufting machine. It's just going to be bliss. It's going to be smooth and perfect. I can already feel it. So anyway, we're going to go to the magical rainbow yarn wall. We're going to pick out some colors. So I'm going to do the monstera leaf first. And I just really liked the green and pink. So I'm going to do pink. Look how much. It's just like, look, it's just stuffed in there. It's just so much. And then a whole another one on the bottom. I guess I gotta find the matching one to this one. Yeah, these look the same. So we could do this. I wish I could find like another big solid one like that. And then I need some green, which is another color that I have like 2 cubbies worth. So actually we need 2 greens. So I need like a lighter green, maybe this, for the like center part. I'm gonna use up this crazy roll because it's ridiculous. I'm probably not even gonna get through it either. Then I think for the outer part we'll do this like sagey color. I think that would look really pretty with the pink. So we'll go with this for like the outer green. And then since we need so little of the lighter green, I think I'm gonna split this into 2 smaller rolls just to like use this up and get it out of here. And then the last color I need is a black for like the outer color all around it. So I'll grab these 2. And I think those are all the colors that I need for the little monstera. Hey, wow, you're looking really toasty. I did make my light warm, and also I think the color. Anyway, I hope that you're okay with that, because it's looking cold in here, and I don't want it to look cold, because then I feel cold. Okay, so we are about to begin. I was just gonna, you know what? Just want to oil it up before its first use. I've had this oil since like I started a couple years ago or whatever, and only like an eighth of it is gone. I think I'm gonna have this sewing machine oil for the rest of my life. And if you tuft and you don't oil your machines, you gotta do it. You gots to do it. Just like literally the tiniest bit on all the bars where it, goes back and forth. I also put like a tiny bit on like the little pieces that look like this, where it's like sort of a round gear that turns. That's just so great. So great. And I did split this into 2 tiny rolls. I messed up my freaking really nice threader by trying to loop a sweatshirt string through the hood part. It came out in the wash, and I was like, oh, I'll use this. I ruined it. I bent it, and it's all ridiculous now. Anyways, oh, look at this. Just one more look at it, just for funsies. Look at the freaking guard, the cover. And you know what's actually really cool is Effie. This is not sponsored or anything, but All Things EFFY is where this machine is from, and they sell the covers like separately. I don't know if they work for all tufting machines. I'm assuming, but they sell these covers, the plastic like guards that you can put on your existing machine. Again, I don't know if it works for every. I'm sure it says some more information in the listing on there, but Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go. First tufting on the new machine. Oh my god. Nice. Y'all, it's like so smooth. I feel like my arms aren't like being, I'm not being jostled like I was with my other machine. This is just like nice and pleasant and smooth feeling. Did great with that curve. Look how smooth. Nice curve. And I think this slowest speed is slower than the slowest speed on my other machine, which is good because if you want to go slower and have more control, you can on this. This is lovely. I don't know that for a fact, but it feels like it. I am impressed. And I can go upside down without having to worry about it catching. Ta-da! Fab. I am so in love. I can't even properly put together a sentence. It didn't get de-threaded. It was cutting the yarn, which, you know, the other one just wasn't doing that because I had used it for like some years before that. Oh, chocolate marshmallow. The previous vlog went up today as I'm filming this. So I'm reading y'all's favorite flavor of ice cream. We still did not use the rest of this, which is kind of annoying, but it's fine. All right, now we can, yeah, you're still here. Now we can move on to the pink. Maybe this year we're going to fall in love with working smaller. I've never been one to work small. Everything I've ever done, besides when I've like forced myself to work small, has been working way too big. I'd like blow it way out of proportion and it becomes so much bigger than I ever wanted it to be. I'm going to do that. And are you? Is it you? No, it's you. And you. Accusations being thrown all around. Here we go. Bop, bop, bop. Hey y'all, welcome to the next day. You want to see something ugly? Horrible. Terrible. Awful. Anyway, if you didn't know, I hate winter. Shut that. Okay. Some happy news is that we have two very exciting things to set up today. I just need to find my box cutter. I'm so excited for this. Really quick, I want to show you, my brother got me this fire shirt for Christmas, and I want all of you to see it. These are pictures of my cat. These are all pictures of my cat. It says Stink Mew. I can't get over it. Let's bring it in. Here it is. Check it out. Zoom in on it. This is basically like a mechanic's wheelie chair, and it's a Z creeper seat. This is just going to be incredible. I'm going to be able to like wheel around. The reason I got like a mechanics type or like this creeper one is because it can flatten out, and I figure when I have to tuft like on the very bottom of my tufting frame, I basically have to like sit on the floor, and what I've been doing is just sitting on my like workout mat, which has been fine, but like when I have to move or make like micro adjustments, like scoot over just a little bit, I basically have to like get up, move it over, sit back down, and I know that sounds like such a whiny problem, but my knees are really not good. I'm working on it, but yeah, my knees are kind of pretty bad, so this is going to be so great because I'm going to be able to like wheel around even when I'm right on the floor. All right, we got a bag of wheels. It saying creeper on it is just an added bonus because I love spooky. 6 casters? Oh, what is a caster? What is a caster? A caster is an undriven wheel. Okay, so you could have just said wheel. You could have just said wheel, but you wanted to get fancy about it. Whatever. Alright, I set up my table because I could not build this on the floor. Okay, so when you pull this, it should fold, and then, wow, look at that. Look at that, that's gonna be pretty sweet. Now we gotta put the casters on. Look at this. Oh shit. Oh, maybe it's because I was going the wrong way. Then it can be a rolly seat. Yes, dude. If you think that's the last thing that we're gonna put together and build that is on wheels, you'd be wrong. I'm really excited about this one too. I didn't necessarily need this, but kind of, with the way that I want to do the stream, where I can like wheel you guys around. Okay, so here is what we just built. So it's like a very small, like little desk on wheels, and it has this like lever thing on the side. So I can pull that and it will get very tall. Like, look at this. This is how I'm going to wheel you guys around. So I'm going to have my laptop or whatever on here. And yeah, if I need to like move you guys around, you won't, like, obviously your view is going to be from the camera, but I can easily move the tripod anywhere. But I need my laptop or whatever I'm going to use to like follow it around. So that is why I got this. Honestly, it's going to be so useful even when I'm like not streaming, because I can like take this to my cute chair and edit there instead of over there. Or like what I have all of my like tufting tools on here, and I can just kind of like wheel it around. It does take some effort to get it to like go down, but how useful is a mobile table? A wheelie table. Extremely useful, I'll tell you. Alright, we can test out the creeper now. Oh my god, this is like in gym class. In gym class with those, you know what I'm talking about. They were obviously, wow, this is great. You know those, you know what I'm talking about. And we'd like, I'm not using words, but I hope that you know what I'm talking about. Those little square things that are basically this. I'm gonna be tufting, and then I can go over here and tuft, and you won't even be able to keep up with me. Okay, that's enough testing. How it'll be like on the floor. This. Oh, this is exactly it. I've seen tufters have, you know, the circle wheelie chairs, but has anybody thought of the mechanic chair? The freaking creeper, the foldy Z chair. Hello, it's a few hours later. I got caught up in like wheeling around on my new chair and filming just this stupid thing, just a post for like Instagram or whatever, showing off my new wheelie chair. Okay, I'm very, very excited about it. And also my wheelie table is already covered in yarn and stuff and scissors and all kinds of things. I started tufting the butterfly because I want to, and I realized that that's a good enough reason. that I can do that. I was gonna try to like go down the line, but I'm starting the butterfly because I want to, and because it gave me the opportunity to use my chair. For the other things, I can just stand. So anyway, I'm gonna end this studio vlog here. As I'm filming this, it's the 7th, and if you're wondering about the giveaway, it is going to end, and I'm gonna pick a winner on like the 11th, like Thursday or Friday of this week, 11th or 12th. And also, there were quite a few of you that said that you didn't have an Instagram, and I'm gonna put your names in anyway. And if you win, then we'll just figure something out. I don't know. I could probably like email you or something. We'll figure it out if you don't have an Instagram. So that's totally fine. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Make sure you give this video a like. It really helps me out. And subscribe to my channel. That also is really fabulous. You can follow me in all of these places. It is usually at Artsymadwoman besides Twitch and Tumblr, which is the Artsymadwoman. And also, we are going to be streaming. I'm so close. I'm so close. Like, I think I'm actually probably ready. I just need to mentally prepare now. So go follow my Twitch. I will probably be there very soon. I also do link all of the things that I can link down in the description in case you're like looking for anything like the wheelie, anything wheelie. I understand if you're looking for that. I do have an Amazon storefront. I know that's super annoying, but it is there if you're looking for anything that maybe I got there. Anyway, I love y'all to absolute death, and I'll see you in the next video.